Hello again, I am your host Argyros Argyridis, and in this video we will see how we can create a new project in OrthoPhoto.io. At this point, let's highlight that overall 4 steps are needed for the orthorectification. On the first step, we input our data. On the second step, we provide the image fiducial marks. On the third step, we enter the coordinates of the ground control points. Finally, when we are sure that we are satisfied with the result, for example the residual errors are satisfactory, or we see that our image overlaps very well with the provided cartographic background, then we perform the fourth step, which is the generation of the final orthorectified image. Naturally, when we first open the main page of the application, we don't see any projects, since we have not created any. To create a new project, we need to go on the upper left corner of the main window and press the New Project option. Now we are able to provide our data to the system. Of course, our first move is to provide the aerial imagery which we are going to orthorectify. To do so, we press the Browse button, navigate to the folder where we have our image stored and select it. Afterwards, we need to provide the camera focal length, and the coordinates of the principal point. Furthermore, we can select the output projection system for our project. Right now, there are 2 available, with more to come in the future. If we have a digital elevation model that we want to use during the orthorectification, we can provide it here as well. However, OrthoPhoto.io provides its own DEM globally, which is the ASTER-derived DEM with a spatial resolution of 30 meters. In some regions like Greece, OrthoPhoto.io has a high resolution DEM available. For example, the DEM available for Greece is the digital terrain model with a spatial resolution of 2 meters. Before proceeding, verify that you set the parameters correctly. Especially the aerial image and the output projection system cannot be changed afterwards. A DEM can be provided later on, however, after it is provided, it cannot be changed as well. By pressing the Submit button, the system starts to upload the data onto OrthoPhoto.io server. The upload process duration depends on factors such as the current internet speed and the imagery size on disk. When project preparation is completed, the page refreshes and we can see that we have some extra panels available below. We can navigate to these panels by scrolling. This concludes this video. See you on the next one, where we will see how to target fiducial marks on the image.